Good afternoon, Denise DeLauder here. I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty card using gold foil, one cutting plate, and then we're going to put a wax seal on it, which I thought was really pretty. So this is fun. So excited. All right, so this is an 8.5 by 5.5 card, scored down the center. So I'm going to burnish it with a bone folder. Give me some working room here. And then I'm going to put my inside piece in right away so I don't get it confused with my other pieces. I like to put a little bit of adhesion in each corner and then some in the center to make sure that this inside piece stays put. You don't want it flying out. Okay. All right. And then here is the gold piece that goes on the top, and we're going to be using this cutting plate, and this is from the Stampin' Up! Amber Autumn, which comes with these wishes or sentiments, and then it has the cutting plates for the designs, and of course we're using the big cutting plate for the background. Pretty set. Okay, so to do this, we're going to place this cutting plate on top of this gold piece of foil cardstock, and I'm going to run it through the machine. As you might guess, there are quite a few pieces of cuts in this. So I'm going to pull it off over a little wastebasket, and then I'm going to pop all of these out. So we're going to go ahead and pour the wax for the seal, and the seal is this beautiful pumpkin. You can see the pumpkin with the greenage on top of it, greenery. So I've melted, and because it's an oval, I'm going to make this more of an oval dump of wax. And then I'm going to place my wax seal on top and let it harden. While that's doing that, I'm going to put snail adhesive on the back of our easily. Okay. Great. So it's on securely. Can move this. Now we're going to heat emboss the sentiment on this piece of blue cardstock. And now we can pull off the stamp, and I'm going to use these snips to try to get underneath this to pop it off of here. Isn't that beautiful? And we'll use some Tombow glue on the back. After it's flattened, it'll be about a dime size, I guess. And I'm going to place this over my sentiment and onto my card, and it will dry in about 45 seconds. But here's the final card. Beautiful. Thank you.